is Ashu Saxena, and today, unlike my last couple of videos, I thought that I should definitely spice it up a little bit, and I thought that maybe I should do this everyday routine video. So for me, I have always struggled with a daily routine makeup that is not too much and it's very quick. So but then I keep on playing with it, and I reached to a point where I can say that, oh yeah, I know my everyday makeup, that what I need to do. So today sharing with you guys what I do on a daily basis as far as makeup. And this makeup is great for college, great for your office, great for just every day. If you just want to be at home and just don't want to overdo it and be look presentable if someone is coming at your house, for everyday makeup it's very easy, subtle and quick. So without further ado, let's get on. I'm going to be using the Lakme primer, if you can see, and I'm going to be taking this so that it will minimize my pores and places where I have like a tip that I want to give out is always use a moisturizer beneath your makeup. If you have oily skin, just use a light base. Now I'm going to be using the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Primer, and I'm in this shade Rose Ivory or 01. You see, it's so easy to blend out. It's smooth consistency, so you are not, even if you are a beginner, you're not going to mess it up. Now I'm going on with the concealer, and I'm going to use it at places where I need a bit of, slightly a bit of, you know, coverage, a bit more. Although if you don't need it, this is perfect, but I'm going to do a very slight amount, like but since it's summer, I really want a slight amount of you know, powder on the T-zones where it might get. So I'm going to take this Lakme compact and gently dabbing it and just going like everywhere, like very small amount, and just everywhere to kind of lock up everything. Now we are going to move on to the eyes, and because I think that's a very important part, so I'm not doing too much for my eyes, but definitely I'm going to take this dark brown shade, slight amount of shade, and what am I doing is I'm going to take it, put it on the outer corner, like, and just kind of create my eyes following the natural line. Just that, you know, a light bit dab out. Yeah. And I'm going to take the remaining and going to just gently go under, so that I don't look that bare. So now I'm done with that, and I'm going to take a shimmery shade, and you can take anyone. This is a great palette by, this is Iconic too, by Makeup Revolution. So I'm going to take this copper shade, dark copper shade, and I'm going to put it on the center of my eyelids so that they look completed. Very gently. I'm using my fingers because I think I can apply shimmers with my fingers in the best possible way. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this brush without any product and gently doing that so that it blends out perfectly. Now I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to put some shimmery shade on my inner corner, that is here. That will open up the eye. I'm also going to gently and our eyes are done, and now we are on to our second last step, that is contour, which is important for summer, and it's very important. So first I'm going to take the contour shade from the Maybelline Master Contour palette. I'm going to take that and just do like while doing that, on the hollows of your cheeks, I'm gonna apply that, and taking a slight bit, just kind of here, not too much, just a little bit, and a lot of it here. You know, because you want to look, you want to hide that double chin. Now I'm going to take the same palette and take the blush, because summer is all about blushing. So I'm going to take a generous amount because it's not that overpowering. So I'm going to take it and just put a slight amount on my cheeks, just to give them a bit of color in the summer. And sorry, I was blocking the camera. And yeah, one more step, we're gonna take a highlight from this same palette. It's very subtle highlight, we're not going to overpower it, but if you like bold highlights, you can do that, because you know, it's never too late to put the highlight, you know. We have and a little bit on the nose, like I think I'm gonna sneak that. Now we are officially on the last step, and that is lipstick. But I'm not a huge fan, so I'm going to take this red lipstick, take this amount of it, just close it. I'm going to so guys, that was my makeup, and you can tell it's literally like very easy, less time consuming for anyone, and it's so versatile that you can wear it at any occasion. You can wear it at a party or at your office on a daily basis, and it's just everything is complete. But no, we are not going to overdo it, we are going to keep it simple. And yeah, so if you like this look and you want to see more such type of looks, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below any other look that you want me to do and try out. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.